So this video is about repairing a broken backpacking chair. This one's the Helinox. You're going to need the replacement part, a couple feet of string, or in this case I have some shock cord, a couple feet, a knife or a screwdriver, and we have here our chair. And so I kind of like this backpacking chair, Helinox Air Zero. It's a little over a pound, and I use it backpacking. But the problem with these little chairs for a guy that's 240 pounds is that the bottom of the feet aren't always, if they're not on rock or sand, the chair gets unstable, which causes these little poles to hold a lot of a big guy's weight, and they break. So that's what happened to me, and I reached out to Helinox. They sent me a replacement part, and so in this video I just want to go through and see what it takes to fix it. So that's what we're doing here. So let's figure out, and the chair kind of comes together through these little bungees, right? And we have this guy here. Let me come back in again. This guy here is broken. So then what we want to do is replace this individual part. So, like I said, we have this replacement piece that kind of goes in. And so let's see how difficult or easy this is. I have a knife here that can pull this out, but let me try it with my fingers. I don't need a knife. It's just a little slippery little sucker. Pull it here, and we kind of let that out. Okay, so that was super easy. Now all I'm going to do is tie a little overhand knot here, or not even a knot. This looks like it'll work. And feed this guy through. This is going to be super easy, way easier than I expected this to be. And then we pull this through. And we re-clip in. I think that you guys can see this. It's just this slides in there and pulls in. Bingo. That was way easier than I thought. But that's how you repair your backpacking chairs. So in the event that yours break, I really wish they'd make these things kind of have fat or alternate ones or something, instead of when you sit in them. Some of the times they'll sink in sand, they sink in soft dirt, something that gives you a little bit more ground cover to not sink in so easily, so that way the weight is distributed properly for the chair and you don't get these items to break. But ultimately, that was a much easier repair than I expected, and there you go.